What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making strawberry cheesecake bars. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need strawberries, a lemon, 2 eggs, 2 packs of cream cheese, sour cream, unsalted butter, vanilla extract, graham crackers, white chocolate, cornstarch, and granulated sugar. Begin by dicing 1 3/4 cups of strawberries. Next, slice a lemon in half. In a ziploc bag, mash 1 pack of graham crackers into crumbs. In a bowl, add 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs and 1/2 cup of melted butter. Give it a good mix. Next, to a 9 by 9 inch pan, add graham cracker crumbs. Firmly press down until the bottom of the pan is covered. Place to the side. In a bowl, add 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of sour cream, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix until smooth. Next, mix in 2 eggs, 1 at a time. Pour cheesecake mixture over graham cracker crust. Smooth out the mixture. Bake at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. In a skillet, add strawberries, 3 tablespoons of water, a 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Add 5 tablespoons of sugar. Mix well and simmer on a medium heat for 10 minutes. Allow your strawberry compote to cool for at least 10 minutes. Allow your cheesecake to cool for at least 3 hours before removing it from the pan. Remove the edges of the cheesecake. Cut your cheesecake into 8 bars. Next, melt your white chocolate according to the directions on your package. Now it's time to create the bars. Add a layer of strawberry compote. Drizzle white chocolate. Repeat. And there you have it, strawberry cheesecake bars. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.